In our new project, we will be creating a forum using Drupal, using only core elements and no other external modules or themes. Before we jump into that, in this lesson, I will talk about what constitutes a forum, that is the design elements of a forum, a brief history, their popularity, and also a brief look at various solutions available in the market apart from Drupal. Forums are one of the earliest applications of computer networking and predates the internet as we know today. In the earliest forms, they were called as bulletin boards or BBSs and news groups or Usenet. Many of these early forms still exist even today. In today's world, discussion forums continue to be relevant and important. They may be used as standalone applications or special interest groups, or they can be used by corporations to provide support, as we will very shortly see. Now, let us look at some examples of hugely popular forums. All of the examples that I show now are multi-million dollar businesses, either by their own right or they support large corporations. I recommend you to open these on your browser and study them briefly. Sample 1, Warrior Forum. This is the number one forum for internet marketing, started in 1997, and this is one of the largest forums available on the internet today. Web Hosting Talk. Again, this has millions of users, the forum for all things related to hosting. Stack Overflow. This is a personal favorite of mine. This is mainly for programmers but has spawned into several diverse areas and has also reinvented several design elements of a traditional forum. Sample number 4, Minecraft Forum. Minecraft is a very popular networked game with millions of players, and this forum is run by the parent company. Microsoft Forums. Microsoft runs hundreds of forums for its products, primarily as support groups and community building. Sample number 6, Drupal.org. For Drupal, runs a forum itself with thousands of users, and this forum is the primary channel for support provided. And this forum, in fact, runs on Drupal itself. With these examples that I have shown, my intention was to show you that forums continue to be one of the primary designs on the internet today. It should get you excited about the project we are going to create, and also you should start observing the design elements of forums that you are familiar with. Returning back, let's understand the common design elements of a forum. Forums will be in a tree hierarchical structure as shown in this diagram. The actual discussions will happen in threaded topics which will be grouped into forums, and then related forums may be optionally grouped into what is called as containers. Corresponding to this will be standard user roles. You have the authenticated user, forum moderator, and forum administrator. Active authenticated users will actually create discussions. Moderators will ensure rules of the forum are adhered to. They will have the authority through permissions to delete unwanted discussions if they deem fit. Administrators can create other moderators, and also they will create this entire structure of the forum. All of this is pretty straightforward, and without doubt you will have used forums in some form or other. Now, let us see some open source solutions in the market. vBulletin and PHP BB stands for Bulletin Board, are dedicated forum solutions that have been available from a very long time. They are lightweight solutions and pretty good at providing a single solution, that is an online forum. Several huge forums are run on these two software. Their strength is also their primary limitation. it is not easy to extend their functionality. Drupal, on the other hand, is a star because you can get a forum right out of the box with the Drupal core, and also it is greatly possible to extend the functionality. However, if all you are ever looking for is a lightweight forum, then you can look at these other two names also for comparison. And with that, I will conclude this lesson. You have briefly seen the history of forums, their design, prominent user roles, and other open source solutions in the market. In the next lesson, we will dive headlong into a forum creation with Drupal. See you in the next lesson.